Are you encountering CORS errors while browsing in Chrome? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through simple and effective solutions to fix CORS errors in your Chrome browser. For this, we have to create a shortcut for Google Chrome with the specified options on a Windows system. So let's do it. Right-click on Empty Area on your desktop, then click on New, then Shortcut. Then click on Browse to get the installation location of Chrome as shown here. It will be in following path. Then click on chrome.exe and then click on OK button. Next click on Next button. You can give any name and then click on Finish button. Then you will get Chrome shortcut on your desktop as shown here. Right-click on it and click on Properties. First copy down the path present in target. Then close this Properties windows. Then paste down the path in Chrome path tag as shown here. We must paste down this complete command in target path of current created Chrome shortcut. Just copy it and paste in target path. Then click on Apply and OK button. Then you can open your front-end URL in this Chrome browser and you will be able to access website or your localhost application without any CORS issue. Now let's look what this command is doing here. The first part content the location of chrome.exe file. Second part disable web security option disables the same origin policy in Chrome, which normally restricts how scripts on one page can interact with resources on another page. Third part disable GPU option disables hardware acceleration in Chrome. The last part a custom directory for user data. In this way we skip CORS issue in Chrome browser. Hope you like this. Please subscribe to the channel for similar video. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.